Hello,
Hello, what's your name?
my name is Mohammad Mizanur Rahman.
Nice to meet you. Where do you live?
Sorry, sir.
Where do you live?
I live in Bangladesh.
Oh, excellent. Which city?
Sir, this is Dhaka City.
Oh, good. And what is the best thing about Dhaka City?
Sir, Dhaka is a very big city. More than 100 million people live in Dhaka City. And there are many historical places in Dhaka City.
Yeah. And is there anything that you don't like about Dhaka City?
Sorry, sir.
Is there anything that you do not like?
Sir, this is a traffic jam.
Oh, traffic jam. Not very good.
Yes, sir.
And are you a student? Do you work?
Sorry, sir.
Are you a student? Do you work?
Yes, sir. I have a job. Work.
Yeah, what is your job?
Sir, I have a marketing job
Oh,
in a pharmaceutical company.
oh, great. And what do you like to do in your free time?
Sir, in free time, I would like to learn English.
Oh, that's good. And how do you study English? What method do you use to study English?
Sir, I'd like to go abroad where need English. That's why I want to learn English.
Where would you like to go?
Sir, I like Canada.
Oh, yeah. Why would you like to go to Canada? What do you like, cold weather?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I most of the time I browsing YouTube. So I show. Sorry, sir. I watching many videos like very natural scenery in Canada. So I like Canada for their
Oh, yeah.
natural.
Yeah. And um, have you ever visited other cities or other countries?
Yes, sir. I have already visited Vietnam in Asia.
Oh, wow. Was it good?
Thank you, sir.
Did you enjoy it? Was it
Ye-
a very good place?
Yes, sir. I enjoyed very much on Vietnam. The city name is Ho Chi Minh City.
Oh, okay. And what did you do when you were in Ho Chi Minh City?
Sir, I have got 3 days uh, tour from my pharmaceutical company.
Oh, yeah. And did you try Vietnamese food?
Their food, no, sir. Their food is very ugly. I I can't
Is
take
it
their food.
spicy?
Sorry, sir.
Was it very spicy?
No, sir, this is not spicy. We like salt, but they are not use salt in their food. Most of the food are
Oh,
not cooked.
oh, that's not very good. And where would you um, where would you like to go? Is there anywhere that you would like to visit?
Sorry, sir.
Would you like to visit other parts of the world?
Yes, sir. I would like to visit Australia, New Zealand.
Oh yeah, my country.
Sir, who is
Excellent.
Australia?
Yeah, I am Australian.
What city, sir?
Sydney.
Oh, sir. Most wonderful city.
Thank you, Mohammed. Bye bye.